Flip a switch, plug it in, or turn it on. It's something we do countless times a day, thanks to a reliable flow of electricity. It's become just part of our daily lives, so it's easy to take electricity for granted. That is, until the power goes out. Even though power outages are rare, disruptions can occur. That's why we at AEP Ohio want to assure you we work as quickly and safely as possible to restore your power when an outage happens. In order to understand how the restoration process works, it's a good idea to start at the beginning of how we make electricity and deliver it to your home or business. The generation of electricity happens at power plants using energy sources like coal, water, wind, natural gas, or nuclear power. Then it travels across high-voltage transmission lines mounted on large towers to reach distribution hubs or substations. These feed the power lines mounted on poles in your community. It's at this neighborhood level where most outages happen. Trees, branches, and severe weather are the top causes. Vehicle crashes and equipment failures can also cause the lights to go out. While most disruptions last only minutes to a few hours, an extensive loss of power can happen during extreme weather conditions, packing high winds, lightning, ice, or snow. If you do lose electricity, first check your circuit breaker to make sure it's not a problem within your own home or business. If there's no problem there, then report it to AEP Ohio immediately. Call in, talk to a representative, or leave a prompted message with our Customer Solutions Center. If you have internet access, you can also report an outage online. Don't assume others have reported the outage. We need to hear from you. Your report feeds our outage management system at the Distribution Dispatch Center, and that drives our restoration efforts. If a large number of customers are affected, like an outage caused by severe weather, we must prioritize where we start. Keeping you safe is our first priority. So we start by taking care of hazardous situations dangerous to you and our crews. Next on the restoration list, essential services predetermined by your Public Utility Commission and community leaders. Then we immediately get to work on restoring power to the largest groups of customers. In the case of a large-scale outage, it's all hands on deck across the AEP Ohio service territory. In extreme cases, we have access to additional crews from outside our service area. This supports our promise to you to use all available resources to restore your electricity just as safely and efficiently as possible. In the case of smaller outages that happen in a specific area affecting fewer customers, AEP Ohio sends a crew to assess the damage. It quickly determines the cause and provides an estimated time for repairs. If the repairs require additional manpower, more crews are called in. We constantly scan and maintain our system from power plants to neighborhood distribution to prevent outages. However, when they do happen, we are prepared and have an action plan in place for restoration, even securing additional workers. We ask you to prepare for a loss of electricity too. Have a flashlight, batteries, candles, portable radio, and a cell phone at the ready. In case of longer-term outages and other disasters, it's a good idea to have a family emergency plan that includes a supply of food, bottled water, clothing, along with a first aid kit and required medications. For additional outage preparation and safety tips, please visit our website at aepohio.com.